I'm Jono Buchanan, and this is just a little message, firstly, to say Happy Christmas. It's that special time of the year, and obviously I hope you have the most fantastic break. Hopefully you've got some time off from college or from work, and you've got an opportunity just to sort of down tools a little bit, and to find some time just to spend time with friends and family and do some learning on Jono Buchanan music. A little plug. Okay, now you'll probably have noticed that around this time, it might be out already, it might not be quite yet. This week's video is a much longer one, a sort of special one, specifically for Christmas. Nice little 25-minute video for you to get your sort of teeth into. So hopefully that will be a nice way to sort of take you into Christmas. But most importantly, I just want to take this opportunity to say thank you, really, because the community that's been built around this channel this year is something I'm really, really proud of. We've just hit 1,000 subscribers, which is great. But the thing that I'm even more proud of is the fact that we've got great questions coming in, this wonderful kind of spirit of positivity. I was chatting to a friend recently who was just saying, you know, I never see a negative comment on your channel. And it's true that what we've basically got is a whole bunch of people wanting to get better at learning Logic, and it's being sort of done in this massively sort of supportive environment. And I'm really proud of that and really pleased to be able to sort of put content into a sort of channel that is, so positive in terms of its aims of trying to get better at making music. I also want to take this opportunity to thank someone very special, and that's Will, who's standing behind the camera right now, in fact. Will is very much the silent partner of this whole channel. He edits all of the videos and comes up with great ideas for how it might move forward. And even though you haven't seen him yet, I'll try and make sure he gets on camera at some point in 2023. Will, thank you so much for everything you do to make this channel possible. Now, it's also worth knowing that all the way through the Christmas break, we're going to be continuing to upload content and, of course, into 2023. If you participated in the polls suggesting how we might move forward with content next year, thank you so much. The short answer is we're going to be doing both of the things we suggested. There'll be shorts next year and some deeper dives into more extended, longer content as well, in addition to continuing the Wednesday video that will come out every single week just to help you move forward with Logic. So loads of plans afoot for what we're going to do through 2023, but I just wanted to say thank you so much for everything that's happened this year. What a momentous year we've had. Over 50 videos, new things coming out all of the time, and as I say, 1,000 subscribers is just kind of an amazing and thrilling thing to have been able to reach. So have a great Christmas, enjoy yourselves, and see you in the new year.